What's going on, people? Today I'm going to talk about ChatGPT. Yes, ChatGPT have just released mobile applications for iPhone and Android, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT on your iPhone. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, let's install ChatGPT on our iPhone. Open App Store, search for ChatGPT. You can see that there is an official app by OpenAI here. If you haven't installed the app, this button should say get, but in my case I've already installed the app, so it's saying open. Let's go ahead and open the app. It will ask you to either sign up or log in. I already have an account, so I'm gonna go ahead and use my login. Once you are logged in, it will show you the new chat screen. Now before we type any prompt, you can see that there are two versions available, GPT 3.5 and GPT-4. GPT-4 is only available for the paid version, which costs around $20 to $25 a month, which is not a lot, but for this tutorial I'm gonna be using the free version. Let's have a quick look at the settings menu. You can start a new chat. You can have a look at your history, and if you go into settings, you can see all the account details here. It also supports the dark mode and the light mode, so if you want to convert into light mode, simply change it here. Now let's type a quick prompt. Write an essay about Taj Mahal in 200 words. See how quickly it has completed the essay. Now if you don't like this, or if you want to go back to the chat screen, simply click on these three dots and click on new chat. And if you want to log out, then simply click on three dots, settings, scroll down and sign out. I think that's a really convenient way of using ChatGPT rather than using it on your laptop. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you found this video useful, make sure you like and share the video and subscribe the channel for more amazing content like this. See you next time.